Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I've talked in front of this camera and that's insane. Oh my god, I don't even know how long it's been. As you guys probably know, I've been doing tutorials back to back constantly this month and last month, trying to get that into that, you know, YouTube state of mind again. So this video is going to be a bit different. It's nothing like I've ever done before and I'm actually super excited for it. Guys, I have this heavy box here. It feels like it's like 1,000 pounds. Guess it's from. I mean, you obviously know who it's from by the title of this video, but Anastasia Beverly Hills reached out to me and wanted me to be on their PR list, and that right there is truly a dream come true. I can't say thank you enough, and any of this wouldn't be possible without you guys. I wrote something earlier when I got this because when I was in the car driving home from the P.O. box, I was in the passenger seat, obviously, you know. I was writing all my thoughts and feelings because when I got it, I was an emotional mess. I don't want to get into it now. I want to get into it after the video or after the unboxing because I'm so excited and it's been hours since I received this and obviously it's killing me to rip this open. This is the box right here. It is so heavy. I can't stress it enough. And before we get into this, my lashes are Bombshell Cosmetica Sandro lashes, and you can use code BELLA to save money. And on my lips is the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick and the shade Hudson, of course. This is what the box looks like. It comes with layers. I'm just gonna throw it on the ground. Guys, just looking in here, it's so heavy. Oh my god, see, I'm telling you. Can y'all see it? I can't see. I can't wait till the end of the video because I'm gonna lay out all the makeup and it's gonna look so bomb. Okay, I'm gonna start off with what I see first, which is the three main babies. First, we have Prism, Modern Renaissance, Soft Glam, this bag of brushes. These are all the brushes plus more. And some dropped on the floor, some were dropping. Okay. Moral of the story, there's plenty of brushes. Oh, cute! Okay, so I've never seen this before. I don't think these are for sale. And then they gave me this cute little pom-pom. No way. It has their little logo on it. Do you guys see that? Oh my god, I don't even know what to do next. So let's just go the glow kits. So we have Dream, the newest one. I've been wanting this one. We have Sun Dipped. This packaging is so cute. It's like glittery. I don't even think you guys can tell. And then we have Sugar. Hey, I just noticed they don't come with like their normal cardboard packaging. I'm not sure if that's to save packaging or if it's just you know, to save space, like so they can send more items. I'm not sure. Moonchild, and of course Aurora. I feel so official. I have my own Anastasia handheld mirror. It's so chic too. Oh my god. It looks like, it reminds me of something like Chanel would sell or something like that. I'm obsessed with it. It smells really good too. Guys, it smells good. Weird, I don't know. So then we have stick foundations. I don't really like feel the need to go through each and every shade. I'm just gonna show you guys. I'm guessing these are the blush trios and the bronzers. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to tell. Wait, maybe. Look, they have the ABH logo on there. So this one's probably gonna be the one that I use the most. This one's in Peachy Love, Pink Passion, and Cocktail Party, Berry Adore, Pool Party, bronzer in the shade Cappuccino, which I already know I'm gonna love. I guess we'll go through these next. So then we have this package I'm not sure what these are, actually. I think I see like a contour kit. Let me just take that out first. This one says generic eye. What is this? Oh my god, look! I totally forgot they have single shadows. That is so cute. Wait, so are the rest palettes? I think the rest are palettes. Yeah. Oh my god, this is beautiful, guys. This is stunning. Okay, look. I thought they just came in the individual packaging, but I guess that was too much for them. And I like how they're sending PR packages without packaging. I think that's very unique and cool, and it also saves them packaging and like trees and stuff, environmentalists, you know. Anyways, look how beautiful. Ooh, and then we have this one. So beautiful. Then they have the colorful ones, which are obviously my favorite. So props to ABH for putting all of this stuff in one box. And then they sent me, of course, their infamous eyebrow brushes. I already own a couple myself. I'll go through these. I just want to like show them all to you because there's less of these brushes than there are of the other ones. And then of course, their brow products. They all come in this little baggie. So I first see is the sharpener, the brow powders, and of course some pomades. Guys, do you want to see my pomade like that I use like right now? I use the pomade in medium brown. You guys, it's a mess. They have tweezers, guys. I had no idea they had tweezers. So then we have this perfect brow pencil, and then some brow definers and some brow wiz. And then last but not least, not last but not least, but what wasn't eyebrows was this black eyeliner pencil. And then I've always wanted to try the normal brow gel. I'm so excited. Actually, that's a lie. I already have. I just have a mini version of it. Believe me or not, I actually have this. I use it in my purse. I won a raffle a long time ago for Macy's, I think it was, and this was in the raffle. So I think they just give these. I don't know if you can buy these. Correct me if I'm wrong. I just never seen them. But unless I think just affiliates have them. Again, correct me if I'm wrong because I have no idea. They have these eyebrow stencils. Look. This is exciting, guys. I had no idea they had scissors. That packaging, they're either eyebrow scissors or eyelash scissors. I'm pretty sure they're eyebrow scissors. They have, you guys are not gonna be able to tell, I'm pretty sure, but they have their little ABH logo like initialed in the scissors. They look so professional and they're sharp too. Now the fun part. I mean, the whole thing was a fun part, but oh, there's a hole in the bag. They sent me the glosses, the whole collection, and then the liquid lipsticks. I'm not going to show you guys one by one, but I will lay out all the colors at the end of the video. So stay tuned. At the end of the video, after I'm done talking, I'm going to show you guys a pan of all of the makeup I received today from ABH. We also have these too. So these, unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to show you guys because I'm not going to open every single one of them. Yeah, guys, that was pretty much it. For now, I just wanted to give a huge thank you to everyone who ever supported me and has been there through the long run. I love all of you guys so much. This is not only a dream come true, but it is a goal that I've been having since I first started my brand, you know? I wrote something, and it's not perfect right now, but I'm gonna post it in the caption whenever I post the infamous PR list picture. Oh, by the way, my highlight is also Amrezy. So I said, trying to write this without tears running down my face. I know that sounds dramatic, but you just don't understand. Before I started The Beauty by Bella, I was an aspiring 16-year-old teen with no job, begging my mom for money for makeup, and saving up every little penny I had to buy makeup. I bought my first high-end palette from the money I saved, and of course it was the Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette. And of course I loved it. I used it so much that I hit pan and bought another one, LOL. From then on I was hooked and started buying much more. When the glow kits came out, I needed all of them, and to this day I own all the ABH eyeshadow palettes that I bought with my own money. This isn't just makeup to me. This is my life, my passion. Never do I not have makeup on my mind. I told myself that one day I would be on the list, and now I'm beyond blessed to be a part of it. This proves that hard work really does pay off, and following your dreams really does take you places. You will achieve your goals. I want to thank all of my beautiful diamond babes and have always shown me love and constant support. This wouldn't be possible without you babes. And last but not least, of course, I want to thank Anastasia Beverly Hills and Norvina for believing in me and providing me with this opportunity of a lifetime. And before I forget, I also met the Anastasia Beverly Hills at a Sephora here in Houston in the Galleria a long time ago. It was, I think, November last year, and that was such a life-changing opportunity. I met her and Alyssa. But yeah, that was such an amazing opportunity. I got to meet her and just talk to her about makeup. Like, what else can you ask for? And she was so nice, both of them, and just so caring. I wish Norvina would have been there. That also would have been amazing. Yeah, I hope that spoke for itself. I knew that whenever I sit in front of the camera, I tend to forget my thoughts and feelings. Mostly thoughts. I can't put two and two together in the moment, but I'm really great at writing down what I'm thinking, especially in that moment. And I knew that when I got that package, just feeling how heavy it was and just seeing on the label that it was from Anastasia, you know, it's just, it may sound so dumb to you, especially if you're not into makeup, but if you're not into makeup, why are you even watching this? But, you know, just for the people that are curious, this is not just makeup, it is literally my passion, my dream come true, as I said, and this is only the start. And that's what's mind-blowing to me, is that it's only getting better from here. And I hope you guys see that as well. If you're struggling, you guys need to know that, you know, keep pushing. If you don't see improvement, if you don't see your work being shown out there, trust me, I felt like that too, and all you need is that little push. And at the end of the year, I'm gonna have a video where I recap this year, because this year has been amazing, and all of it was because of me being consistent, and that is truly amazing, and it has changed my life. And I don't want to cry because it's not that type of video, and I've never cried in front of a camera before, but I just want you guys to know that dreams do come true when you're dedicated and work hard. Makeup is not only a way to express yourself, but it motivates others. And remember to shine bright like a diamond, because you're beautiful just the way you are. I wrote that when I was just like so happy. I'm just so happy, and thank you so much if you watched to the end of the video. I love you guys so much. It's insane. I will never say that enough from you guys. You guys were the reason I am where I am today. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I cannot believe how much makeup I got today. This is such a dream come true. Okay, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at TheBeautyByBella and show me some love on there. And again, if you guys always need help, I'm always here, you know, through comments or DMs. I see all of them, although it's hard for me to answer most of the times because I do get a lot. I do try to see like a majority of them. Comment some suggestions down below of other video ideas. I would happily make them for you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to turn on my post notifications. I forgot to say that. Okay, bye. Love you. Now let's get into the makeup.